Hello, and welcome to another session of KeyTrain. In today's lesson, we want to learn how to use our data spreadsheet to build our data notebook. That's our standard. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to do is open up the Data Dev 2 follow-up spreadsheet that was sent to you on September the 16th. Okay, I have that up, and now I'm going to open this spreadsheet. Okay, now when I open the spreadsheet, the first thing I want to do is I want to make some adjustments. Okay, the first adjustment I make is, I don't know whether or not you can see it on your screen, but there's these little blue lines right here. Okay, it's telling me that my spreadsheet is set up in portrait. I want to put it in landscape. So I'm going to go File, I'm going to go Page Setup, and I want to arrange it in landscape. Okay, I have done that. Okay, that allows me to have more columns on my screen. Okay, the next thing I want to do is, when you originally opened your spreadsheet, it was on a freeze frame mode. So I'm going to unfreeze my screen by going to Windows, and I'm going to unfreeze my pane. Okay, by clicking unfreeze. Now that allows me the ability to scroll up and down on my screen. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to go to the column head that says mine, and I want to write a 1 next to all of the students that are mine. I have done that. For the sake of time, I've already done that, so there's no need for us to continue going on with that. So I'm going to check, I'm going to put a 1 next to all the students that are mine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter out all of the students who are not mine, okay, by going to the column head, and up there is no drop down menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a drop down menu. The way I do that is I'm going to cut off my filters. If you notice that there are drop down menus on all of these column heads, I'm going to cut it off. Did you notice how they disappeared? Now I'm going to cut it back on. Okay, now they're back, and now I also have column heads, or a drop down menu filters for my mine column head. Now the next step is I'm going to overwrite, I'm going to take out mine, and now I'm going to write or type class period. I'm going to type period, because now that all the students are mine, I want to go ahead and I want to be able to adjust this by class period. Now, I think I want to stop right there. I think I've given you enough to digest, and we will come back with part 2. Part 2, we'll go ahead and start running some filters. Thank you.